going to do our first animation on the Scratch platform today, and I'm very excited about it. So we're looking at the spinning wheel project on the scratch.mit.edu, and a spinning wheel, or a charkha, commonly popularly known, is one of the biggest symbol for what Mahatma Gandhi used as becoming self-reliant as a nation. Now, it makes a great example of your first animation because it's a very simple circular motion and you can map it exactly to a fan. So just let's play the green button and see how the entire spindle is moving. So now what we're going to do is we're going to click on see inside so that we can look at the code of this project. Primary thing for animation in Scratch is using different set of costumes. Okay, so remember, costume is the important thing. So now if you look at this Charkha, or if you think of a fan has 3 or 4 blades, and when it moves, it rotates, it looks like a circular disc. But actually what is happening is the blades are at different positions, and when they move fast enough, it's a very fast moving disc. Now similarly with the charkha, what we do is when you right click and duplicate, you get a new costume. In the new costume, we just very slightly move this part, this spindle, towards right, and done it for 4 costumes. So if you just move it fast enough, you'll be able to notice. Can you see? Just I'm clicking it fast enough and it looks like that it is in motion. Now this is exactly what we're going to do in the code. So you're going to learn a few new things in order to do this. Now let us look at the code block. So the main code block we are using here is changing of costumes. So as we were mapping it, it is changing of costume. So if you come to looks, under this there is a 2 set of coding blocks around switching of costume. One is switch costume to, and one is next costume. The difference is when you use the switch costume block, you can specifically select any of the costumes. If you're using next costume, what it does, it automatically picks up the next costume in the order. It picks up in the same order as the costumes which are listed here. Now because in our costumes, we want to just pick up one after the other, we will be able to use next costume. Now let us look at our code. So when green flag is clicked, don't worry about this and this yet. So what we're doing, when green flag clicked, we are saying next costume. So you can see on the right here, when I'm clicking on this, it is showing one next costume. Now we want this action to happen continuously. Yeah, we want it to happen continuously. Now to make it happen continuously, we need what in the computing language is known as a loop. So loop is nothing but something which happens again and again. Now where do these coding blocks sit? They sit under the control. They sit under here, control. We've already looked at control for timer. Now we are going to use forever loop here. So let me clean this up. So we have brought in forever, and now we are going to shift next costume inside it, inside the loop. So now when I click on it, see, it is moving forever. And you can see it is moving at a good speed. Now if you want to slow it down, how do you do it? Timer comes to our help. So we pick up weight and we put it inside the loop. If you click on it, you can see that it will move. But right now, the timer is for 1 second. So it's going to move very, very slowly. So what we're going to do is we're going to reduce this and we will make it say 0.2 seconds. Now when you click on this or click on this, it is going to move with a weight of 0.2 seconds. If you want it fast, you can make it 0.1, or you can completely remove the weight. So that is the way to work with animation. It is going to be by changing costumes. So do remix your project, create different kind of charkhas and animate them the way you want. Have fun creating. Ta-da!